Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you tips and tricks of an Orpat calculator part number 2. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos. So guys, here is the display of the trick number 2 on my channel. So guys, here as you can see, all zeros have came, and if we try to do 0 0 0, it will not come. So in this trick, this is a trick and I am gonna show you how to do it. So the first step is that you have to take any key, like I am taking 5, and put all the zeros like this. Then you have to multiply and then percentage. Then you have to click the click button, correct, and then again check. Now you will see that the 5 has started blinking. Then you have to type here 0 and similarly put the plus button. Now here you have seen that all zeros have came. So guys, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share my video. Thanks for watching.